Hey guys, it's Felicia and Davis, and we're here to show you the Step 2 choo-choo wagon. We've been having a lot of fun in this summer. And Graham, come show them, Graham. Do you want to show them where you sit? Show them where you sit.
Right there.
Right here.
Because I control the engine, and there's fuel in there.
There's fuel.
Yeah.
And there's storage, right? There's storage in this front part of the wagon seat. And a seat belt to keep us safe, right, Graham?
Mm-hmm.
And I really like that it has these drainage holes in each one of the wagon's bottom, because we've had a lot of rain lately. You can see some of the rain in there. Hey, baby. And so it helps the water drain out without having to worry about it collecting, because we have another wagon that just kind of collects in there, and it's gross. And then, of course, here's the trailer. Of course, it attaches with a little axle piece. See if you can see that. And they articulate to help you kind of go around the corners a little bit. It doesn't go perfectly around corners, of course, because if you look at this, you've got, a 3-wagon system going on. So you still got to kind of take corners easily. But I love the wheels, nice and big. And they go great. They go great in the grass and on the gravel. There goes Graham and his sound effects again. And then, of course, each little seat also has a cup holder.
Yeah. And it's got this trailer, that trailer, and this trailer. But it has 2 holes to drain out all of the water.
Yes, 2 holes to drain out all of the water. Mommy really likes that. And a nice big handle for Mommy to pull, right?
Yeah, because it's called a choo-choo wagon.
Choo-choo wagon, that's right. Good ending. This is, again, the Step 2 choo-choo wagon.